Alright guys, so this little pipe wrench is officially restored. I gave it a little coat of wax all over it just to protect it from the humidity and stuff like that. I'm sure this isn't going to be getting much use at all, but it was a cool little thing. Look how small that is. It's only, I don't know, 6 inches. It's a Tobrin, I think you pronounce it, number 6 pipe wrench, and this was really cool. The only trouble I ran into was taking that pin out, and I ended up completely destroying it because it wouldn't come out, so I had to replace it with a washer and a 3/16 inch little piece of a steel rod, beat it down to a little rivet style, and then punched it. After getting the correct diameter of the rod, I was able to punch it all the way through, and then used the washer on the other side, heated it up, and then pounded it down so that it would lock that washer and everything all into place. I really like this. I think it turned out well. The handle, I'm not a fan of the black handles, but I went ahead and got it painted, and then it's got 3 coats of polyurethane on it. So I like this. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Check out all my other videos, including more restoration videos. You guys can hit the playlist. Had a lot of fun doing this. We'll see you guys next weekend.